My name is Aldrin Quesada. If I work too much, I get tired. If I have time, I usually to go to the movies. If she doesn't know the answer, she keeps silent.
Hi, my name is Edison Kaiser. Zero conditional. If he worked on Saturday, not play with your child. If I am a singer, I'll have fans.
First conditional. If you drink too much, you will get drunk. If I had money, I would buy a nice apartment. If we don't have today, we could have a picnic.
First conditional. If I were a food driver, I will buy a house. If he is buzzing now, I will come back tomorrow.
If I were in Brazil, I would go to Rio de Janeiro. If I had more money, I would buy a nice apartment. If we don't go on Saturday, we rent the video on stay home.
Second conditional. If I were a pilot, I would travel to Paris. If you had money, you would live in Quito. If you are a doctor, you would have to a clinic.